Hello students, good morning to everybody. Yesterday we discussed about acute angle, what is obtuse angle, what is right angle, and next we will what is straight angle. Is equal to 180 degree. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree, and complete angle (360 degree). So we know that there are these types of angles: acute angle greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Right angle equal to 90 degree, and straight angle is equal to 180 degree, and complete angle is 360 degree, which is called circular angle or complete angle. Now angle topic over. Then we will go to the triangle relating angles and sides. This is a triangle which we discussed up to now. All triangles are a scalene triangle, but later we will discuss about the isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Later we will discuss, don't worry. But here is a triangle. In this triangle there are three sides: AB, BC and AC. So this is a scalene triangle. No side equal, scalene triangle. Two sides equal, isosceles triangle, and all sides equal, equilateral triangle. So if this is a triangle and AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to AC. If a triangle has a three sides but no side equal, so we clear that it is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. If in a scalene triangle, if no sides equal, so no angles are also equal. Angle A is not equal to angle B, is not equal to angle C. This is the common things. If no side equal, no angles are equal. This is the scalene triangle. No sides equal, no angles equal. Then what are the relation between sides and angle? If take any two sides, suppose AB and BC. If BC is greater than AB, one side, if no sides equal, let BC is greater than AB. If BC is greater than AB, BC side is greater than AB side, then the angle opposite to BC, that is A angle, is greater than the angle opposite to AB, C angle. So if BC is greater than AB, the angle A is greater than angle C. Means the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. The note, the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. The greater side has the greater angle opposite to it, and vice versa. the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it, and the smaller side has the smaller angle opposite to it. And vice versa, the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. Conversely, the greater angle has the greater side opposite to it, and the smaller side has the smaller angle opposite to it. Conversely, the smaller angle has the smaller side opposite to it. So we know that greater side has the greater angle, smaller side has the smaller angle. Greater angle has the greater side opposite to it, and the smaller side has the smaller angle opposite to it. So this is the some important terms relating scalene triangle. Then we discuss about isosceles triangle. If this triangle is isosceles triangle, if this is an isosceles triangle, means two sides equal. In a isosceles triangle, we know what is the isosceles triangle. Two sides equal, it's called isosceles triangle. All sides equal, it's called equilateral triangle, and no side equal is called scalene triangle. Suppose this is a isosceles triangle, two sides equal, AB is equal to AC. Two sides equal, then two angles are equal. Which angles are equal? Now two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. If the two sides of a triangle are equal, then two angles are equal opposite to them. If two sides are equal, then two angles are equal opposite to them. Which angle is opposite to AB? That is angle C. And which angle opposite to AC? That is angle B. So angle C is equal to angle B. It is very, very important term. Two sides equal, two angles equal. Conversely, if two angles of a triangle are equal, then the two sides of that triangle are equal opposite to them. Two sides are equal, two angles opposite to them are equal, and if two angles are equal, two sides are equal opposite to them. So you can also write the definition. If two sides of a triangle are equal, then two angles are equal opposite to them, and two angles are equal, then two sides are equal opposite to them. You can take down the definition. Once we understand, we can write the definition in our own language. So you can write the definition of triangle, isosceles triangle, whose two sides are equal, then two angles are equal. Which angles? Now those angles are opposite to those sides. And then if this is not a isosceles triangle, suppose this is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides equal. If a triangle has all sides equal, then all angles are equal. If AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, then angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. All sides equal, all angles are equal. So all sides are equal or all angles are equal. Then now take a screenshot. Next, there are many more things, most of things in the geometry. We will discuss more turning points, more key points about geometry at the time of solving the problem, and when we will do the theorems, deductions, examples, at that time which turning point I discuss, you should note the turning point, and this much is sufficient. And another thing we will later discuss, the parallel lines and a transversal, how many angles are formed, what are the relation between them, what are the relations among them whenever two parallel lines, one transversal is given. Next we will study, now we discuss about congruency. Now come to our topic, congruency. Congruency. What is the meaning of a congruency? Congruency is nothing but equal. When we compare two or more figures and all things means all sides and angles are equal, then 2 means one figure. When you place one figure over another, they coincide each other, then we call those figures are congruency in size. Now here is a triangle A, B, C, another triangle D, E, F. Now tomorrow we will discuss about the congruency conditions, but now I tell you some interesting points. If A, B, C is a triangle and D, E, F is another triangle, when ABC triangle, DEF triangle are equal, whenever they are equal, when angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle F is equal to angle C is equal to angle F, and AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF, then we tell the two triangles are congruent or equal. Means congruence. We can write ABC triangle congruence to the triangle DEF. When we place ABC triangle on DEF triangle, A falls on D, B falls on E, C falls on F, and AB falls on DE, BC falls on EF, and AC falls on DF. Then two triangles are coincide each other. Then those triangles, these two triangles are called congruency. But here there are some proposition, otherwise we tell theorem about congruency. What are the theorems of, what are the conditions of the congruency? The first condition of the congruency is SAS, side angle side. This is first congruency of the congruency topic. We can prove there are first condition SAS, second condition ASA, third condition AAS, fourth condition SSS, fifth condition RHS. These five conditions, two triangles are congruent to each other. SAS, this condition is an experimental condition, but all these are logical. First condition is experimental condition. Second, third, fourth, by taking this condition, side angle side, here is angle side angle, means two side and included angle we discussed about. Now this means two angles and included side, and here angle side, two angles and a corresponding side, two angles and a corresponding side, SSS, side, and RHS, right angle, hypotenuse and side, the right angle triangle. These five conditions or five statements, we can prove how two triangles are congruent to each other. Then so for today the time will not sufficient for a discuss about the SAS, side angle side, two sides and included angle. So I want to take another interesting point about geometry, the complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angle and supplementary angle. Two small things, complementary angle, supplementary angle and a linear pair. Linear pair, complementary we already learnt in your previous classes. You already learnt in your previous classes what is complementary angle, what is supplementary angle, what is linear pair. Now just I recall what is complementary angle. If x plus y is equal to 90 degree, if x plus y is equal to 90 degree, so x is called the supplementary angle of y and y is called the supplementary angle of x. If x plus y is equal to 90 degree, then sorry, if x plus y is equal to 90 degree, so x is called the complementary angle of y and y is called the complementary angle of x, and then supplementary angle if x plus y is equal to 180 degree. If x plus y is equal to 180 degree, if x plus y is 180 degree, then x is called the supplementary angle of y and y is called the supplementary angle of x. Over. Complementary angle, supplementary angle. What is linear pair? If two angles is 180 degree, if two angles are 180 degree but they are adjacent angles, both x and y are adjacent angles. If two angles, sum of two angles is 180 degree but those two angles are adjacent angles, then the two angles are called linear pair. Otherwise we can call supplementary angles to each other. They are supplementary to each other. X supplementary y, y supplementary x. But whenever these two angles are adjacent, then they are called linear pair. Now the three things, there are many more things in geometry. Time to time we will discuss. Not worried about this, and practice more and more. Practice makes you so perfect. For today this much, and tomorrow we will do the 5 conditions of a congruency triangle. That's thanks, goodbye.